is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Welcome to Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for a free, no obligation legal consultation on issues such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. Call us at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa, Figueroa and Associates, the law firm. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers, and hey, we got Plan C, not Plan A, not Plan B, but Plan C. So all these trillions of dollars that are being negotiated, and the only thing that they want to do for immigrants, those people who are here working in warehouses, nannies, babysitters, restaurants, cab drivers. Hey, a lot of them are undocumented, but obviously still working. Let's give them a work permit. But that's all they want to give for those who came here before 2011. Could we have something better? How about the people who came in 2012, 2013, 2014? Well, you know the rest. 2021. Hey, how about those people? How about comprehensive immigration reform so that we could have more H-1Bs, H-2Bs come into America? H-1Bs, the professionals, you know, the smart people who help more people get jobs. They help create bigger businesses, smarter businesses. And H-2B, obviously, the unskilled workers, the farm workers also, which is a separate issue. How about families? Instead of waiting 12 years for a brother-sister petition, could we cut that down to a shorter time? Or petitions for children over 21 so that they could reunite with their families. So family-based petitions shouldn't take as long as they do. How about EB-5, the investor's visa? Hey, we need to attract businesses not only from Asia, but from Africa, Latin America. Do we need comprehensive immigration reform? Yes. The Republicans do not like comprehensive immigration reform because it means that there's going to be more black and brown people, people of color, that get a work permit or get a green card and then become U.S. citizens because, well, for whatever reason, they all become Democrats, at least 80%, 90%. So in order for Republicans to survive and keep America great again, which Trump means keep America white again, it means that they want less immigrants here. And this didn't begin today, my African American brothers. When you were emancipated in 1869, and now we have a holiday for Emancipation Day, your population, African Americans, was almost 20% of the U.S. population. Now, the black population is about 13%. And when I say black, African Americans, people born here, or naturalized black people. It means that you lost 7% of the vote that you had, from 20%, almost 20, to what it is, 13. Yeah. It means that African Americans have been disenfranchised by a racist immigration policy favoring white people, especially Western Europeans. America has always been about keeping somebody down. Let's destroy Native Americans. Yeah. Let's enslave African Americans. Let's have separatism laws for people of color. It goes on and on and on. And today in Congress, we still see our vestiges of everything. Our hope, well, maybe in New York City we could be what? Treated fairly. However, black and brown children, you know what is happening, black and brown children? I hope your parents are listening. Your school system, New York City public school system, is the most segregated in the country. With this new batch of, city council people and Mayor Eric Adams, well, he's black. Would you guys pass open enrollment? That's the only solution. Don't tell us anything else. Yeah. We have heard that story before. You're going to give us money. You're going to do this. Open enrollment with a lottery. Send some of them white kids in black neighborhoods at those public schools to get an education. Maybe when everything is evenly divided, that the system is segregated, maybe all people, including white people who care about black and brown people, getting a proper education. Or it may mean they just send their kids to private schools, and the public schools that they went to will now be able to take more kids in. My name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. What's up? Maybe inflation. They say more bankruptcy filings. Are you paying your debts? Yes, we give free consultations on bankruptcy issues, loan modification issues, matrimonial issues. Hey, this pandemic caused a wave of divorces, not to mention a wave of people dying, which continues. So wills, trust, and estate planning is important. You got questions, we got answers. It's a free legal consultation. Oh, and by the way, we also sponsor one of the best paralegal programs in New York City. Do you want to be a paralegal? Do you want to gain skills so that you get a different job, a better job? Do you want to learn about the law? Do you want to understand how to solve problems? That's what lawyers do. I can't say the same for politicians, because a wave of them came. New York City was segregated, its public school system, and it still is. It means that we have a whole new batch of 35 people replacing 35 people who achieved nothing for us. So maybe they need to take the paralegal program so that they could be empowered from an educational perspective to deal with some of these issues. This is not arrogance. This is the truth. And the people who suffer is our kids, our children. I have a 9, 10, and 11-year-old in the public school system. And I understand the trials and tribulations that our children have. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. Call us for a free consultation at 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Or go online, Ask the Lawyer, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. And yes, everyone gets a free consultation. Even people who don't look like us, they call, they take the free consultation, and you should also. Remember our paralegal program? Well, yes, you have to pay for it. It's $550. And in 1 year, you could become a paralegal, or as I should say correctly, get your paralegal certificate. And you will be smarter, as long as you put in the work. We have Zoom classes. We have online classes, what we call computer-assisted legal instruction. Those of you who come from other countries, this is a good way to orientate yourself to the laws of this country, this state, and this city. Again, the number to call for free legal consultation is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Or online, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. And if you go to our website, askthelawyer.us, there's also a link there for our paralegal program. Yes, there's a link for the paralegal program at Ask the Lawyer, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Thank you.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.